Hi, I'm Lennon Crab, the CFO of Diamond Sea Trailers. That stands for Chief Fun Officer. Follow me and come see what I do. Bye, see you later. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be a busy day. I can already tell. Look at the time, it's 2 o'clock. Candy time. You get a candy? You get a candy? You get a candy?
Thank you, Lennon.
You get a candy? You don't get one?
What do you think, Lennon?
That sounds good and everything, but where's the fun? If you don't fix your attitude, you're out of here. I'm gonna need that candy back. Ugh, I'm exhausted. I need a break. First, I need some hot cocoa. Time to relax.
Now for some quick lightning round questions for our CFO. What's your favorite thing about being a CFO?
I get to pass out candy and make people laugh.
If you were an animal, what animal would you be?
A cheetah,
Why?
because cheetahs run fast.
What do you love most about Diamond Sea?
It's like my big old playground.
Would you rather skydive or eat a squirrel?
Skydive.
What is something that helps you fall asleep at night?
My sleep mask and white noise. That always helps.
What is the hardest thing about your job?
Working with Lane.
If you had a personal pizza, what would be your first topping?
Olives.
Olives?
I love olives.
Would you rather be a bird or a fish? Why?
A bird, because I could fly.
What's your favorite bug?
A butterfly.